Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video. So this has actually been sitting in this little packet in my bead room since January, and it is June, like halfway through June. I keep thinking, oh yeah, I'll do a quick haul video, and I keep forgetting. Obviously I haven't used this stuff. It's from APJ Jewelry on Etsy, and it's not that I don't love this stuff, it's just I just haven't done the video, and then life gets in the way, right? But we're also going to announce the winner of my 10,000 subscriber giveaway in just a few moments. So I wanted to go through this stuff first, and it's got a lot of cool, like more modern looking stuff. So let's just dig in, and it'll be like me seeing it all over again for the first time because I haven't looked in here in a while. We have some hand charms with a little evil eye in the middle, and they're reversible. So I could do earrings facing one way. Super cute. I got this for sure for me. I usually shop for stuff for me because unless I have a project for somebody else, but this is definitely me. An evil eye and a heart. Isn't that fun? So bright and wonderful. And I'll link everything below. Well, I'll link the shop below. An evil eye like drop in a crescent moon. I guess I could hang it this way too if I cut off the loop, or I could just leave the loop, but I think it's cool. I only got one because I knew I wasn't going to use it for earrings. They have them in an array of different finishes too. So another evil eye. You're going to see a theme here because they had a lot of good stuff. It's turquoise or aqua. Two little beads. I don't remember if you bought them individually or if you got a pair, but these are, I think they might be gold plated. So evil eye multicolored beads. Kind of heavy too. Another little pendant. I keep breaking these bags. Okay. Brass. Got my fingerprints all over them, but with a horizon and a sun and a moon and some stars. Probably another evil eye. Yep. Oh, so a different style. Very cool. Two more of this style, but in yellow and pink. Aren't those neat? I love them. I have a cart full of stuff for this shop still because I went back and looked through all the stuff after I got this one, and I've just been adding and adding and adding. I mean, that's how it is with me though. Sometimes I just have a cart so I don't buy it. A cute little half sun in black. This is a connector. Same thing in brass. These are, these make earrings really easy. Just get the connectors, put a cool bead underneath it. You're good to go. And then, oh, this was several of these in brass. Very cool. So you have like a sun, an eye, and kind of like a moon. They're reversible. Another one of these, but in brass or gold. A turquoise evil eye, but not round. My neighbor has the loudest car on earth. You can probably hear that in the background. Another evil eye. I mean, obviously there's a theme here. I just got a lot of modern looking stuff. And so these are similar but different shapes. I just think they're so cool. And they look great with Heishi beads, the polymer clay Heishi beads, whether in a necklace or a bracelet. Oh, we got a different style. I love it. These make me so happy. I'm glad I'm going through these because I didn't remember which ones I got. Now I'm getting all sorts of ideas. And then black moon and stars. And again, I think they have them in silver. They might have even rose gold, and I know they have brass. And then two little tiny heart evil eye beads. These are so cute. I would use those on like a thin bracelet. or a thick bracelet, whatever. And then 2 hearts. I saw these. This is probably what drove me to this store, because I was searching big brass embossed or stamped hearts. And it's funny that I just made a bracelet with a checked glass bead that looks quite like this. But this is what drove me to the store, and then I found all this other cool stuff. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, check out their store. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now, on to the winner. I'm going to put it on the screen. And congratulations to Cindy. Please contact me at the email address listed on the screen. I'm so excited that you won the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. You will get everything mailed to you that I had in that video. But I also decided to just do a smaller second giveaway. I'm just going to send a couple bead mixes to Roxanne. Congratulations to you too. I'm so excited. I just, really love doing videos for you all, and I love hearing from you, and all your comments are wonderful, and just a small way that I can give back. Congratulations to you both. Roxanne, contact me at the same email address listed below, please. And both of you, please send me a screenshot that you're subscribed to my channel. Stay tuned. Keep watching the videos. I'm going to have a giveaway soon. I mean, we're almost at 12,000, and I haven't done the 11,000 subscriber giveaway yet. So stay tuned. There's going to be another one really soon, just as soon as I decide what's going on in that one. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. Hi. Hanging out.